this is Elderia this. Hope you're all doing well. It's a super sunny day actually and super hot, so I'm feeling quite tired already. I don't know, like it's only the beginning of the day, so I don't know what's happening, especially in London. It doesn't really happen ever. I'm gonna show you how to dye your hair from copper back to brown. So my original, I mean, it's not exactly my original color, but it's close enough. So I decided to take the darker shade, the 4.15 from L'Oreal. I think most people do huge color changes with no bleach or color removal, and they see huge disasters, but I'm willing to try. So keep watching, guys, to see if I'm going to be crying by the end of this video or if I'm going to be really happy with the result. So let's get started. So what you're going to need for this mission, actually, you're going to need a hairbrush and then a comb and then a few hair clips, preferably darker than mine, but at the moment that's what I found, so let's see how it goes. I mean, I don't really care about these ones, so probably gonna get rid of them. And then another clip as well, if you need an extra one as well, if something is falling out. And then afterwards, so depending on how much hair you have, I would use 4 dyes actually, so I got a couple of them, just in case. I have one more, but yeah, so 4 dyes. And I would start by unpacking the first one, and make sure that you get them ready before, so you get ready all of the four bottles actually, if you have, you know, that much hair, and you're gonna need them definitely. If you're not sure, maybe start with 3 or 2, depending how much. If you have shorter hair, I would say maybe try 2 bottles. If you have longer hair, definitely 3 bottles. You grab a towel that you don't really care. So this is gonna be my famous towel. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And we're gonna separate first our parties before we start. So yeah, so I'll divide them in 4 sections. I'm going to change my hair just because they don't have my red dye in stock, so I was like, why not? Make sure that you comb them well. And make as many parties as you want to, because in this one we have to be really vigilant. So yeah, I'm going to make a few more. Make sure that you read the instructions as well. I mean, I'm only joking, I never use the instructions. So yeah, let's go straight into it. I hope I look like more like Britney Spears rather than a geek, but that's okay. And then I'm having my towel as well, and I'm gonna be starting mixing, so let's see that. So first, color and gel inside the developer. So okay, also, I wanted to say, do not try this at home as well. I know I am trying it, but I'm not encouraging it because I don't know how it's gonna end. So I'm gonna be putting my gloves now, and I prepared all the bottles, and then we can start. So you make sure that you've mixed the developer cream with the color gel really well, and yeah, try to really be really good with your roots as well. Like, put a lot of emphasis. Like, at least use, I would say, half of the bottle to make sure that it's gonna be even, especially for mine as well, because my roots are very dark and they go straight to red, so I don't want to see any big changes, and go all around as well at the back. Make sure that you go all around here as well, and here, and at your middle parties as well, the ones that I've separated. So make sure that you go over there, and keep your time as well. Make sure that you don't forget to check how many minutes you do that. Hey guys, so I'm back again. So I finished with dyeing my hair, and I put my hair products. As you can see, it's not exactly the result I promised. It was supposed to be dark brown, but it turned out into black, which I'm not pretty mad about it. I actually wanted to try something different. As you can see as well, I tried to make it like really evenly, the dye. And I used a comb while I was dyeing my hair, so I can separate the hair, and I can manage to dye almost all of my red hair. It's gonna take a little while, like it's gonna take a couple of months to kind of like wash out completely, because it's a very hard color. But you can see it's pretty evenly dyed, I think so. At least I tried. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and kisses.